Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Vscode, Git installed, and the Azure Repos extension enabled. Once done, open Vscode and sign into Azure DevOps from the Accounts menu so credentials flow to Git operations. Make sure your Azure DevOps account has repo permissions. If not, request access now. Then open the command palette and run Azure Repos, clone to begin. This launches the UI that asks for the repository URL, or you'll now choose the repository. Either pick from the list presented by the extension or paste the remote URL directly. Next, select the local folder where you want the working copy. Use an empty folder for a clean start. Once you confirm, Vscode runs git clone. Watch the Git output channel for progress and any auth prompts. If prompted, use your Azure AD or personal access token. Once cloning finishes, Vscode offers to open the new workspace, so you can begin editing immediately. Open the cloned folder in Vscode and check out or create a branch for your work using the source control view. You can edit files, stage changes, write a clear commit message, and push using the built-in Git controls. Make sure the upstream is set so push goes to Azure DevOps. If push fails due to authentication, regenerate a personal access token and update Vscode credentials. This usually resolves auth errors quickly and gets you back to pushing and creating pull requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.